why, how, when, what, where. Your name. Name is. Name what? What is your name? Sigita. You from. You are. Lithuania. Where? Where are you from? Lithuania. Lithuania is. In Europe. Where? Where is Lithuania? In Europe. The capital of Lithuania. The capital is. The capital what? What is the capital of Lithuania? Vilnius. What is the capital of Lithuania? Vilnius. You? I'm 26. 26 is age. How? How old? You are. How old are you? I'm 26. How old are you? I'm 26. Your birthday? On April 10th. April 10th, when? Your birthday is. When is your birthday? On April 10th. When is your birthday? On April 10th. To study English. Here, to study English, that's a reason. Reason, why? You are. Why are you here? Why are you here? To study English. To study English. What is your name? Sigita. Where are you from? Lithuania. Where is Lithuania? In Europe. What is the capital of Lithuania? Vilnius. How old are you? I'm 26. When is your birthday? On April 10th. Why are you here? To study English. The food in your country, it's delicious, delicious. That's an adjective. How? The food is. How is the food in your country? It's delicious. Your favorite food, cepelinai, they're potato dumplings. Your favorite food, cepelinai, is a thing. What? What is? What is your favorite food? Cepelinai, they're potato dumplings. The people in your country, friendly. How? People are. How are the people in your country? How are the people in your country? They're very friendly. The weather, it's cold in the winter and hot in the summer. Hot, cold, how. The weather is. How is the weather? It's cold in the winter and hot in the summer. How is the food in your country? It's delicious. What is your favorite food? Tabelini, they're potato dumplings. How are the people in your country? They're very friendly. How is the weather? It's cold in the winter and hot in the summer. Now tell me a bit about yourself in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.